Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create your account on the Tonkeeper. So let's get this started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the website of the Tonkeeper. So as you can see, I have searched for this, and now simply we have to click on this. Let's click on this, and we have to open the link. And after opening the link, as you can see, the Tonkeeper they have provided all the information. If you want to for the iOS, they have provided each and everything option here. So if you want to download this, you can also do that. Download APK, Google Play, Tonkeeper in Telegram. How you can use this, what are their benefit, they have provided the each and information here. You have to read that. So and after that, as you can see, if you want to download the browser extension, you can also do that. As you can see in the Google Chrome, you have to click on this, and after clicking on this, you will also get the Tonekeeper extensions. You can get this extension in these all browsers. And if you want to check out how the receive, how the pay, how the swap, you can also do that. They have provided the earn crypto, how you can earn that. Each and every information is provided here. You just have to read that carefully, and then you will be able to create your account, and you will be able to also use that. So as you can see, after clicking on this, the extension is also provided here. You can also add this into your Chrome. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.